Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because I vision softly creeping. Love exists by one sleeping, and the something that is planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, near the handle of a street light. I turned my collar to the cold and dark, when my eyes were stabbed by the flares of a neon light. They split at night and touched the sound of silence. In the naked light of soul, 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sound of silence. Like a castle grows. Hear my words that I might reach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words lay silent, ring just there. And I come in the silence. The people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed early this morning in the words that he was coming, and the sign said the words of the brothers written on the subway walls and tenement schools, and whisper in the sound of silence.